Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. This is basil. Most people use it for caprice or in salads. We are going to turn this into cocktail gold, and we're drinking it because we're classy and a little unhinged. Today we're making a Gin Basil Smash. It's green, it's fresh, it's everything a smoothie wishes it was. Except this one contains gin, so it wins. Without further ado, let's get into it. So, the Gin Basil Smash isn't some dusty old cocktail from the 1800s. It's practically a millennial. Born in Hamburg, Germany in 2008 by bartender Jörg Meyer, it was basically his way of saying, what if mojitos were cool and dressed in green basil instead of mint? This drink blew up so fast, it won Best New Cocktail at Tales of the Cocktail that same year. Which, in the cocktail world, is like winning an Oscar the same night your movie premieres. So yeah, it may be young, but it's already living rent-free in every cocktail menu worth its salt. Or basil leaf. Let's go through today's Blue Moon lineup. Basil leaves, the only greens I willingly consume. Gin, we're using Hendrick's as that's what the original was made with, and it's just good. Simple syrup, sweet like a lie you tell yourself about having just one drink. Lemon juice, fresh, none of that sad plastic lemon. Celery bitters, optional, like pants on Zoom call, but still bougie. We're going to start by adding 10 to 12 basil leaves to our mixing tin, and then we're going to muddle it. We're not smashing it like you're mad at it, just give it a good herbal massage. You're trying to coax the flavor out, not make pesto. Now into your tin go the rest of the ingredients. 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, finally 2 dashes of celery bitters if you're feeling extra. It's the cocktail equivalent of adding truffle oil. Totally unnecessary, but you'll feel cooler. Add some ice to your tin. Now shake it like someone just texted, we need to talk. This drink deserves energy. Double strain it over fresh ice. Finally crown it with a basil sprig that screams, yes, I bought a houseplant and kept it alive for 2 weeks. And there you have it, the Gin Basil Smash. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. Okay, yes. This is aromatherapy with consequences. You get that basil right away, it's fresh, herbal, slightly smug about being in a cocktail. Lemon comes in like, hey, I'm zesty, I pay rent on time. And then the gin hits you with that floral backbone. Like licking a forest in the best possible way. No celery bitters, just a whisper of savory, like your drink's got secrets. If a garden party and a hangover had a love child, this would be it. That's the Gin Basil Smash. Fresh, sharp, a little fancy, and fully capable of making you believe you have your life together. Hit like, smash subscribe for more leafy chaos, and drop a comment if you've ever put a vegetable in your cocktail. Basil? Cool. Celery? Respect. Lettuce? We may need to talk. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.